Welcome back to the final video in this series, teaching you how to manage online customer reviews for your business. In the last video, you learned how to get instant notification by SMS and email so you can respond when you're being talked about online. I sprung the surprise that the association is now a licensee for Reputation Loop, which means you have a very special opportunity to subscribe. I showed you how Reputation Loop creates a personalized microsite and gives you the power to control the feedback shown on the microsite and on your main website. And finally, we looked at the automatic posting of feedback to social media. In this final video, you'll learn how to respond to your customers' feedback, and I'll show you how to use Reputation Loop to manage email campaigns tailored to different customer segments. And as promised, I'm going to introduce you to citations. You need to know more about them, even if you don't subscribe. Let's start by looking at how you should handle the reviews you get. Remember, the review and your reply won't ever disappear, so always be polite and helpful. People don't expect you to be perfect. What they want to see is a genuine human response, to know you care about their opinion. Make a note of my 5 steps for responding to a review. But don't worry about making notes. I'll give you a link to download a free guide, How to Respond to Online Reviews. Start out by thanking the customer for helping you by leaving a review. Personalize your response to their situation and also use their name. We're so glad you're pleased with your clean carpets, Don. Or, hi Shelley, I'm the owner of the business and I'm sorry you had a bad experience with our contractor. Now address the issue and nothing else. Show you've taken practical steps to resolve the problem and prevent it from happening again. Try to be brief. Why bother revisiting why something happened or how it went wrong? It's enough to know your customer believes there's a problem. Even if the criticism seems unfair, don't go into a long justification. Lastly, control your emotions. Of course you want to defend your business, but an angry response will reflect badly on you. Look, people aren't stupid. They can see when a reviewer is just venting their anger, and if you've given a fair and reasonable answer, they'll discount the negative review. So you've responded to online comments, but thanks to the Reputation Loop system, you have a database of customers who you've asked to leave feedback. And now we're discovering another feature of Reputation Loop. It's also a powerful email marketing system. It can remarket to customers based on the feedback they've left you. Firstly, you can search, then manage and segment existing customers based on their ratings. Personalize the default templates to suit your customer base with the HTML editor. Import over a dozen possible merge fields and design a personalized message for your customer. And then use the custom email manager for one-off campaigns. How about this? Imagine you pull up a list of customers who left negative feedback and then make them a special offer to come back and give you a second chance. Let's look at one of the powerful features which the association wanted to make available to members. Normally you'd need additional software at extra cost, but Reputation Loop now includes a powerful listings manager which will verify your business listing information across more than 55 online directories, review sites, and social networks. Why is this important? Actually, it's vitally important to your Google rankings, because the Google algorithm checks across the web for what's called a citation, the NAP records. That's name, address, and phone number. These need to be the same in every listing if they're to have SEO weight with Google. That means exactly the same. For Google, these phone numbers are all different. And this applies to every part of the NAP record. Is it Mexican Cafe or The Mexican Cafe, for example? As I said, there are more than 55 different online directories, review sites, and social networks where you'd need to verify and maintain accurate citations if you didn't use Reputation Loop. But the software makes it easy. In our Listings Manager, you'll start by entering a detailed profile, complete with links, photos, a business logo, business description, trading hours, and a whole lot more. Reputation Loop will populate this profile across dozens of different directories. You can simply click the View Listing button to see your directory listing. These are all driven from your centralized profile, so if you make any changes, they're adjusted across all of the directory sites. Let's look back at what we've covered. Reputation Loop is a bundle of 5 services in one package. First, it filters and manages positive and negative feedback, giving you the chance to identify unhappy customers and fix any problems before they leave a negative review. Positive feedback is redirected to review sites you choose for their importance. Second, it builds a microsite to promote your business where you can control the reviews displayed. Plus, you can show this positive feedback on your existing website and on social media. Thirdly, Reputation Loop monitors key review sites and alerts you instantly when someone gives feedback about your company. Fourth, and this is very powerful, Reputation Loop gives you the tools to communicate with customers in your review database and provide them with tailored offers. And lastly, a unique feature to Reputation Loop, the Listings Manager maintains your citations and details across dozens of directory and review sites. As a subscriber, you'll get everything I've described today. But there's a whole lot more, as you'll discover inside your dashboard. In fact, there are more than 40 sophisticated features which will give you the power to manage your business reputation. And yet, even though it includes so much, setting up Reputation Loop is easy and straightforward thanks to the intuitive interface and detailed video tutorials. You'll be building your positive online reputation in next to no time. If you've got any questions, the answers are probably already in the knowledge base and the FAQs, but if you need hands-on help, our support team is standing by to assist. Check out what other business owners say about the software. Steve Johnson said, "I was blown away by the simplicity of use and how quickly I was able to implement this into my business." Jennifer M. said the software is great for business owners who are serious about their reputation and want to build it quickly and consistently. And how about the success enjoyed by Guardian Roofing? When they started using the software, they had just 2 reviews posted online. But here's what happened in 4 months. They got 181 customer feedback responses, caught 21 negative responses, and increased traffic to their website by 25%. From just 2 Google reviews, they now have 21 5-star reviews. Plus, they improved their Google search rankings, and now they're in the top 5. So we come to the question, what's the value of a good reputation for your business? And of course the answer is, it's priceless. The number of stars you have is a competitive advantage, but it does also have a measurable value. A Harvard Business School study showed that a 1-star increase in your online ranking could give a 5 to 9% increase in revenue. The author Michael Luca also said, online consumer reviews substitute for more traditional forms of reputation. But you already know that from what you've learned in these videos. And now you know why review management should be a vital new component of your marketing strategy. And when you're considering value, think about this. If you don't take action to proactively manage your online reputation, then someday soon you'll be forced into damage control. There's always that one customer who never seems satisfied, but now they can do enormous damage to your business. After watching these videos, you know that your prospects are already looking for reviews online. In fact, only 12% of people don't read online reviews. And if you're doing any marketing activity, then you need to start managing your reviews and ratings. Why? Because if you do get negative reviews, then unfortunately, your prospects will find them. No matter whether you're using traditional media or online, if you're spending, say, 5% of your turnover on marketing, the average for a small business, then you might be spending a lot of money just to drive prospects to find those negative reviews. In comparison, a subscription to Reputation Loop is a tiny investment in proactive reputation management. Some business owners are ahead of the curve, and they're happily paying $1,000 or more every month to have their online reputation managed for them. Make no mistake, it's a valuable investment, thanks to the huge impact of online social proof. It translates to more leads, better conversions, and more sales revenue. And you don't need too many sales each month to recover that. But now, instead of outsourcing your reputation management, you can manage your own reviews, ratings, and feedback for less than half of that. Way less. Because we want to keep Reputation Loop as affordable as possible for any business owner in any industry anywhere. A subscription to Reputation Loop is only $249 per month. But that's not what you'll pay. Because the association is now licensed to supply Reputation Loop to members, then you'll get 25% right off the top. Your subscription price through the association is just $186.75 monthly for all of the features and benefits we've covered in these training videos. As you'll see in your Reputation Loop dashboard, there are more than 40 amazing features that are immediately available. And the fact your association has entered into a license agreement tells you that this is the best value solution because of the work they've done to assess the available options. For example, this is the only review management software that includes a listing manager for your citations. But in any case, it's an investment with no risk. If it works to bring new leads and to improve sales conversions, then Reputation Loop will easily pay for itself at just $186.75 a month. That's probably just a fraction of your current marketing costs. And if it doesn't pay for itself, then get your money back, thanks to our 60-day love it or shove it guarantee. Click the button below to get started. After our secure checkout, you'll give us the basic details for your business, and we'll set up your account, then send you your access details. You'll set up your dashboard, watch some video tutorials, and get your first customer feedback. You'll set up your microsite and start managing your reviews as you receive notifications and then post them to social media. But please, take action now. Why hesitate? You know your prospects are looking for reviews online, and you know there's no risk to try Reputation Loop. So click the button below to start your subscription. It's a good decision for your business, and it's risk-free. Don't just close this video and make a note to think about it later. You're busy. Running a small business is hard work, and in the time you've been watching this video, a bunch of stuff will have backed up for your attention. So take action now. And thanks for watching this video series. It could be the most valuable thing you've done for your business all year. We're looking forward to working with you, so please click the subscribe button now.